8:17. Need to be out here by 8:30. So there's no traffic. What a day, what a week. I've been settling in a new place and it's like a lot of stuff to worry about. And then I try to set up my calendar the way I want it. It's still not going anywhere yet. But hopefully I can do something about it. How was you guys' week? Oh, I need to unbox a lot of stuff because I order Olive Young Beauty event, a big event. And I received it like 3-4 days ago and I haven't even looked at it yet. I've been ordered quite a lot from Olive Young. And it's crazy how I feel like we'll never get enough of it. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit more. Saying I'm not gonna use the concealer, I'm gonna apply a little bit more under my arm or nose area and the chin. Just cause. Okay, let's move on to powder. Do you have any powder that stay well on your skin but not too dry, like too matte? Let me know, because I've been trying quite a lot and I think right now my go-to is Carson, a Chinese brand. This one is nice to make up forever. It's expensive. Need a job. The powder is super fine. So be careful when you use it because you might inhale something like me. And then I haven't been able to try some new blushes yet because I need to open all my new products and I don't have space for it yet. So please be patient because I'm gonna do some unboxings of random. Today we go a little bit orange. For every day I like to go natural. I try. A little weather where you guys stay? Today it's kind of like gloomy. It's raining earlier. So have you ever had the thought that you're never gonna use any of your beauty products finish any of your products, but you still want to buy more? That's me. Kind of like addicting. A little bit of highlighting, brighten up the eye. Funny story, yesterday I tried to go to work and then I was in a rush that I had my slipper out the door almost to my car, and then I realized that I still have my slipper on, my yellow monster slipper. I'm like, oh my god, I almost go to work with this, and I have to go back and then change it again. But let me finish my eye and I'll be back. Okay, basically the basic is done. I need to touch up a little bit with some glitter, like highlighter to the face, to the lips, and to the chin, and a little bit to the eye. A little bit extra today, okay? And I'll do the eyeliner and touch up my eyebrow, and almost done. Okay, lipstick is gonna be free.